I hail from Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th with Central Board. Now I am pursuing my bachelor's from State University. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have one sibling. My hobby is listening music. I want to join Indian Air Force because whenever I see Air Force officer, I get an inner motivation to get the uniform. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me. Topic is corruption. Nowadays, corruption is a very big issue in our society. Corruption is a process of dishonesty showing by our political leaders, government authorities.
Jai gentlemen, my name is Ashish Yadav. I am from Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for Puramadev temple. I passed my class 12 from Central Board. Now I am pursuing BSc from State University. In my family there are 3 members. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and running also. I want to join Indian Air Force because it provides an adventurous and enjoyable life. Now I would like to tell about the topic which is assigned to us. The topic is corruption in India. Dear friend, we see our surrounding the corruption in India increasing day by day. Corruption is a criminal offense or a dishonesty that is done by any community or organization in our society.
Jai everyone, my name is Govind. Basically, I hail from Aligarh, UP. I have completed my class 12 from CBSE board and now I am pursuing graduation from Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh University. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have 2 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket, running and watching movies. I want to join Indian Air Force because the thrill of flying high in the sky and engaging in challenging missions.
My name is Levish. I am from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from a state board. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have 2 siblings. My hobbies are reading books and listening songs. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is very respected service in our society and I am inspiration to flying officer Avni Chaturvedi.
Due to corruption, our India are behind many fields like defense service and research and development. Corruption are main case of poverty.
Lack of transparency and accountability, it is the main concern behind that corruption is increases in our country and all the countries. Due to this, many schemes that the government is assigned, due to which the corruption may be decreased.
Dear friends, as we know that everywhere is a corruption. At the present time of election, corruption is very high.
If I talk about the main issue that is behind the corruption, if I talk about the current scenario, the biggest problem in the NEET examination, it is also a factor behind that corruption is leaded in India due to the bribe process.
Yes, and there are many examples of corruption also behind like lack of education and lack of understanding. Employment is also
I agree with the statement question number 14. The condition of the poor family is not growing because of corruption and the people who are in growing position, they can misuse their powers and
Yes, friends, I agree with you. Chest number 19 that says there are many reasons behind the corruption is lack of education and poverty.
आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया बट कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आप लोगों को ध्यान रखनी है। देखिए, एक तो जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को पहले भी बताया था कि जब भी आप ग्रुप डिस्कशन के अंदर पार्टिसिपेट करें तो आपका पार्टिसिपेशन इतना नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप अदर जो कैंडिडेट उनका चांस को जो है स्नैच कर लें। आपको बोलना है। मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि 60% अगर आपकी स्पीकिंग स्किल्स मैटर करती है, दैट इज 40% दैट इज योर लिसनिंग स्किल्स मैटर्स देयर। आप लोगों में से काफ़ी, जैसे कि चेस्ट नंबर 11 की मैं बात करूं, चेस्ट नंबर 14 की मैं बात करूं, तो आप लोग जो है बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पर मैं कह सकता हूँ कि दूसरों के चांस का आप लेने की कोशिश करें। एटलीस्ट सबको मौका दीजिए बोलने का। पहली चीज़ तो ये। दूसरी चीज़ क्या है, अगर आप कहीं पे फंबल कर रहे हैं तो आप वहाँ पे चाहे तो उसको स्टॉप कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज फंबल करके आप ये चीज़ शो करना चाहते हैं दैट आई हैव कमिटेड दिस काइंड ऑफ मिस्टेक एंड प्लीज आई एम रेड हैंडेड, प्लीज कैच मी देयर, राइट। सो अवॉइड दैट। आपको सबसे पहले उस चीज़ को अवॉइड करना है। तो ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आप लोगों को ध्यान रखनी। डिस्कशन आप लोगों का काफ़ी ठीक था। आगे बाकी तो हम फीडबैक्स आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करते ही रहेंगे, बट इन चीज़ों का आप लोगों को ध्यान रखना है।